Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mr.TechPro. So I am again back with some Udemy free courses. So today's Udemy course categories are some are of designing, some are of programming and technical marketing, etc. So if you are new to our channel, then please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And if you find our video useful and meaningful, then please recommend the channel to your friends, so let them gain some knowledge with the courses, internship and etc. So let's do not waste time and let's get started with the video. So the first course is of logo designing. The name of the course is Logo Designing Essentials. So in this course you will learn about skills of a logo creation, and also you will understand the process of visual communication, and also you will understand the meaning of shapes of logos. So you will get a brief knowledge about logo designing. So if you in future if you are wanted to start a freelancing with a designing, here is the best opportunity to learn a logo designing course which is completely free, and you can start a freelancing with it. So if you are interested, then please do enroll to this course. The rating of this course is 3.5 and the duration is 40 minutes, which you can complete it within a day. So this is a best opportunity to earn some money in future if you wanted to do freelancing. So the coupon code of this course is free BLES. I am again highlighting free BLES is the coupon code of this course. So if you are interested, then please go and enroll it. So the second course is about video production, or you can say video editing. So the name of the course is Video Production Inexpensive Talking Head Video Business. So in this course you will learn about how to create a simple talking head videos for all aspects of businesses. So in this video they are explained about how to create a video for a business purpose, and also how to have a more vibrant online presence. So in this course they are explained about a brief introduction, or you can say about the how to create a videos for business purposes. So if you are in some business or want to grow your business, so this is a best opportunity. So with videos and marketing skills you can grow your businesses. So this is a course about a video, how you can create a video. So if you are interested in this, then please do enroll. The coupon code of this course I am highlighting here, you can refer it from here. So and also one more thing, if you want some videos or you can want some specific courses, then let me know in the comment section. I will try to bring it for you. So I am again highlighting the coupon code, you can refer it from here. So the rating of this course is 4.7, which is quite good, you can say that, because out of 5 the rating is 4.7. And another thing, the course duration is 1 hour. So and two articles is there to read. So the third course is Facebook ads and marketing lead generation pro. So if you are in the digital marketing line or in the network marketing line, then you must take this course. With this course you will get to know how you can promote your products, or how you can increase your networks with the Facebook ads and marketings. So in this video they are explained about this only. So how you can grow your business with the marketing using your social media and with your mobile. So this is about marketing course. So if you are interested, then please do enroll. The rating of this course is 3.8 and the duration is 2 hours, and there are 13 articles to read, and the coupon code is 29 July, which is simple enough. So I am again saying the coupon code is 29 July. So this is about the third course. Let us move towards the fourth course. So the fourth course is sell product with a Facebook ads fast on Shopify 2020. So this is also about the marketing course, you can say. So in this course they are explained about Shopify plus Facebook marketing, e-commerce and drop shipping. So basically Shopify is a store, online store, so from which you can earn money. So using Shopify and Facebook ads, how you can grow your business more and more. So this is what exactly explained in this course. So if you have some business, or in future you wanted to open some business, then you can take up this course and gain some knowledge about marketing and all. So this is about the course. So if you are interested, then please do enroll to this course. The rating of this course is 4 and the duration is 1 hour, and same, the coupon code is same as previous, that is 29 July is the coupon code. I am again saying the coupon code 29 July. So the next course is how to create marketing video for your business or a product. So if you are taking up the previous two courses, then I recommend you that you must take this course too, because with this you will learn about how to create a marketing video. So you will get to know about how to attract the customers with your video. So this is what explained in this course. So how you can attract your customers with the attractive video. So if you are enrolling the previous two courses, then I recommend you to enroll this course too. So this is about the course. And if you are wanted to create interesting videos for your product or for your businesses, then please take up this course and get knowledge. So the rating of this course is 3.5 and the duration is, which is very less, that is 39 minutes. And the coupon code is free BLES, which is same as first one. The coupon code is free BLES. So next course is Master Python with NumPy for data science and machine learning. So this is of Python programming or IT certification category. So in this course you will learn about NumPy for data analysis and numerical computation using data using Python, and also NumPy for data science. So basically this is course of a new NumPy and machine learning with Python. So if you are interested in programming languages and want to learn NumPy for data science and machine learning, then you can take up this course and gain knowledge. The requirements for this course is student is well good in Python programming language and has and must have some basic mathematics skills, and also he must know about Anaconda installation to work with a NumPy and Python. So this is of requirement of this course. So the duration of this course is 2 hours and there is one downloadable resources in this course. The rating is 4.4 and coupon code I am highlighting here, you can check it out from there. So this is of this course. So the next course is become a recruitment and selection specialist. So in this course they are explaining about how the selection process will occur and how the interview questions are framed, and also how to recognize your role model. So in this course, if you are students or freshers, so you can take up this course and you will get a knowledge of how the recruitment process or selection process will occur. So you will get to know how to prepare for that. This is about this course. So the rating of this course is 4.5 and the duration is 2 hours, and the coupon code I am highlighting here June 2021. So the coupon code I am highlighting here June 2021 is the coupon code for this course. So if you are interested or want to know about how the recruitment process or selection process will occur, so you can take up this course and gain some knowledge. So the last course of this video is contract management in construction project. So in this course you will learn about how cost management you can do and how you can do contract managements, how to do quality survey. This is mainly about some civil engineering students. So this course is mostly for them. So if you are interested, also if you wanted to know more about the contracts and all, then you can take up this course. There is no restriction for gaining knowledge. So this is about the course. The rating of the course is 4.4 and the duration is 1 hour. I am highlighting the coupon code, which is contract June. So the coupon code is contracts June. You can check out here. I am highlighting. If you do not find, also don't worry, check out in the description, you will find it. So this is about this video. So I am again saying that if you wanted video on specific courses, then let me know in the comment section, or you can DM us in the Instagram. I will try to bring it in the next video. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, then please share it to your friends and let them gain some knowledge with the courses. Thanks for watching. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.